channel. So today we're going to be making these cool bath bombs.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Zoe is hosting this video today and we are going to be doing a giveaway. So we're giving away these little sea creatures, the water beads, and a whole variety of sizes of the bath bomb molds. So stay tuned to the end so you can find out how to win. So let's put together our bath bombs. We're going to do 2 cups of baking soda. It's okay if your baking soda is a little bit lumpy. Just break it up with your hands. 1 cup of citric acid. Same thing. This is a hands-on project, so we're going to get fun with it. It's a 1/2 cup of cornstarch. Mixy, and a 1/2 cup of Epsom salt. Let them get their hands in there and really mix it up. This is a messy one. That's why it's so much fun. Now we're going to put our wet ingredients together. This is 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Pro tip, put your coconut jar in a bowl of warm water and it will liquefy like this. Now we're going to do 3 teaspoons of water. Next up is going to be essential oils. Now this is going to be up to you and your child's tolerance, so use your best judgment. I do 15 drops, and we did 10 of peppermint and 5 of tangerine, and it gave it just a light minty smell. Now we're going to do about 15 drops of food coloring. We did 10 blue, 5 green, and mix it up. But again, change these ingredients to your child's tolerance and, whatever you like. This is the most important part of the process, and that's the mixing. If you just dump your wet ingredients in the dry, the wet ingredients will activate the citric acid and you'll have a big bubbly mess and your bath bombs will not look right. It's a little bit tedious, but you have to add it in slow droplets. So what I do is about 1/3 of the bowl, and you can see I went a little too heavy-handed there and it started to bubble up on me. So I really quickly mixed it all in, and then you really want to get your hands in there too and mix it all together. You can see how quickly it crumbles, so it's too dry. Again, I'm going to just go ahead and really slowly, a little slow stream of drops, put another 1/3 of that liquid in, mix it really good. Take your time here. Still crumbling too quickly, so we're going to add the rest in. I used every drop of my liquids, but you really want to take your time during this process or you will ruin the whole bath bombs if you go too quick. Now they're staying in a good little mold. When I press it together, it doesn't just crumble, it holds that mold a little bit. That's how you know it's ready to go. We're going to assemble our sea creatures, find which ones fit in what size mold, and we're just using fillable plastic ornaments. I find they work the best. Get your water beads together, and now it's time to start getting these guys going. So I just fill it up and press it down really good until you have the first half together. Put your sea creature in. You can use whatever toy surprise you like or your child likes. Get fun and creative with it. And now we're going to put the water beads in there. So I put a 1/2 teaspoon. This is going to give you like 20 to 30 water beads. Now, PSA on these water beads. They take a good 30 minutes to actually start puffing up. So if your child is a 10-minute bath taker, this might not be a good thing to put in your bath bombs. My child likes to take like hour baths, so she gets to play with the toy for a little bit, and then after about 30 minutes, the water beads have puffed up, and she gets to play with them for another 20-30 minutes, so it works out for us. They are tiny like this, and they will go down your drain if they don't puff up fully. So just take that into consideration when making these. They worked out well for us, but I could see it being a problem for some. We're going to put our water beads in there, continue to fill it up, and you can get fun and try different colors. You can do different scents. You can put different toys in there. It's just a really fun activity to kind of get messy, make these together, and it makes bath time fun. So we asked every 10 minutes if she could take a bath, and we made these in the morning. So it was an all-day thing. So here's the last one, and I'm going to show you these in action.
Go ahead, drop it in.
I like this bath bomb. Look at my last. Look at my last toy. That wasn't the best. Look at these water beads. We're gonna give some stuff away so you can make your own bath bomb.
Show them what we're going to be giving away. Some sea creature toys. What are these? Water beads and bath bomb molds. So you can make your very own surprise toy bath bombs at home.
So all y'all have to do to enter to win this giveaway is make sure you are subscribed to this channel and leave me a comment below. Make sure you leave your IG handle so I can contact you.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up.
Bye. See you guys in the next one.
Bye. See you guys in the next one. Bye.